UV lamp, 100W E26, E27 LED UVC light bulb, suitable for home, restaurant, office, warehouse, supermarket UV light bulb. A 2020 latest version brand new lighting technology. This light can offer 30 times power ability of sunshine. It can work for bed, room space, object surface or any other places that you need to use. A strong Aility. This UV lamp adopts professional infrared lamp beads, which has stronger effect and always protects your family's health. Without ozone, such as 30 times of the sunshine, powerful ability, can work for bed, room space, object surface, no bad ozone smell. Warning, do not let your eyes and skin expose under the germicidal light when it is working. You must leave your room. Include pets. And you also need to turn off the bulb before you approaching it. Easy to install, big irradiation area, regular E26 base. Very easy to install. The irradiation area up to 500 SQ feet, 50,000 hours lifespan warranty. Each bulb passed through 2 inspection processes. A 100% satisfaction and money-back guarantee. We vouch for our germicidal bulb's efficiency and durability. In the unlikely event you are dissatisfied with your purchase, you are free to return it to us within the first 30 days and receive a full refund. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.